Hello again, welcome to another video used car review, and today we're looking at this lovely little Audi A1 S-Line TFSI automatic 2018. Very tidy little car, one owner car. Nice alloys, all in good condition. All nice and clean inside. The S-Line logo seats. 3-door version, so you have to lift the seat forward to get in the back. Dark tinted glass, parking sensors, decent amount of boot space for a small car. Just locking position there, so you've got a lower load floor there as well, with the battery and the blow-up kit. Locking wheel nut tool, all located in the back. TFSI petrol. All nice tidy bodywork. Controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors, central locking, 2 remote keys. $34,000 miles with a full history. It's got the DAB radio. It's also got the sat nav. You can switch from there. And then you've got the vehicle menu. You can select all those options there. Drive select option, Bluetooth media input. Also got the SD card slots, CD slot, air conditioning, and drive select from this button here. S Tronic automatic transmission, conventional handbrake. Very tidy, clean little car. Cruise control from here. And you've got access to the vehicle menu and Bluetooth and these controls here. And you also got the paddles on the steering wheel if you want to change gear manually. So there you go, if you're looking for a nice little A1 automatic in a very tidy condition. Smart looking car in the blue. There you go, feel free to give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.